Well, come on down here because I want to get this next recipe going. And this is a no-cook cookie dough truffle. And we're going to start with 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. I'm going to pack that in there good. And another 1/4. 1 stick of butter that's at room temperature, and just cream that together. I know some girls that say by the time they get through toasting the dough, there's none left to bake cookies. Some people just love cookie dough. So that's what these truffles are gonna taste like. Okay, now I'm gonna measure out 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, we're gonna add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Got that mixed together. Now, when y'all pop back in on me, I was chopping nuts. I'm gonna need about 1 cup of chopped pecans. You can use the nut of your choice. So bear with me while I get my nuts cut. There we go. That looks about like 1 cup. Now I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of little mini semi-sweet chocolate morsels. So we're just gonna mix that up. And that looks like some mighty fine cookie dough, doesn't it? And then we're gonna start rolling our truffles. Now you'll wanna take your hands and dip them down in some flour because this cookie dough is gonna be a little sticky. So you just wanna roll them into balls about the size of a walnut. Just like that. And you'll want to keep your hands rolled in that flour. Otherwise, you're going to have a sticky mess. So, I'm going to roll these out, stick these in the refrigerator, and let them set for about 2 hours. Now, I've got some down here that I've had in the refrigerator chilling for us. So here's our cookie dough after it's set up. Now back here behind me on the stove, I've got some milk chocolate that I melted over hot water. And we're just gonna take our balls and we're just gonna run them around in that chocolate and lift them out. Just like that. Doesn't that look good? The cookie dough lover in your house is gonna be so very happy. And then we're gonna let those set up in the refrigerator and let that chocolate harden on them. And they're gonna be so good. These cookies are the best in Savannah, Georgia. 2 smart cookies. Well, I've got those 2 girls in the kitchen with me, y'all, that I want to introduce y'all to. This is Amanda, and this is Annette. Well, come on down here, girls, because I want y'all to taste these truffles that I made earlier. They look pretty good, don't they?
They sure do. And cookie dough right up our alley.
I was gonna say, yes, y'all can really appreciate this. All right, now let's reach over here and y'all get you one.
Okay.
And tell me what you think.
Okay.
I can't believe I'm making cookies for the 2 smart cookies.
Yum.
Tastes like cookie dough, doesn't it?
It sure does. But with chocolate on the outside. Couldn't be any better.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.